Dark chocolate with 70% or higher cacao containing flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, with immune-enhancing, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties represents the most indulgent immune-supporting food discussed. Studies showing dark chocolate consumption increases immune cell activity and may reduce stress hormones that impair immunity are interesting, though we need careful interpretation. The mention of theobromine in cacao potentially suppressing cough as effectively as codeine is based on limited research and should be viewed cautiously. While there's some evidence for cough suppression, comparing effectiveness to pharmaceutical agents requires more rigorous study. The recommendation to consume 1 to 2 ounces, about 2 squares, of 70 to 85% cacao chocolate daily is specific and realistic. The emphasis on choosing quality chocolate with minimal added sugar and no unnecessary additives is important. Many commercial chocolates contain more sugar than cacao, negating potential benefits. The preparation suggestions: eating plain as an after-meal treat, melting over berries, adding cacao powder to smoothies or oatmeal, or making hot chocolate with raw cacao powder, provide variety. The note that raw cacao powder contains highest flavonoid levels is accurate, as processing reduces flavonoid content. The suggestion to combine with nuts for satisfying immune-supporting snacks is practical, pairing chocolate's flavonoids with nuts' vitamin E and healthy fats. The magnesium in dark chocolate supporting immune cell function and stress management represents additional benefits beyond flavonoids. The warning to avoid milk chocolate, low cacao, high sugar, and milk proteins potentially reducing flavonoid absorption is important guidance. Milk proteins may bind flavonoids, reducing bioavailability, though research is mixed on this point. However, critical warnings are essential. The moderation emphasis: chocolate is calorie-dense and excessive sugar is immunosuppressive, cannot be overstated. 1 to 2 ounces of 70% dark chocolate contains roughly 150 to 300 calories and still contains sugar. Overconsumption can contribute to weight gain and blood sugar issues that actually impair immunity. The caffeine content mentioned, 12 to 24 milligrams per ounce, matters for caffeine-sensitive individuals or evening consumption. While modest compared to coffee, it can still affect sleep in sensitive people. The psychological pleasure of chocolate supporting healing through stress reduction is a real phenomenon. Enjoyment and stress reduction genuinely support immune function. However, this shouldn't justify excessive consumption. Some realistic perspective: while dark chocolate does contain beneficial flavonoids and antioxidants, it's not a health food in the way vegetables are. It's a treat that happens to contain some beneficial compounds when consumed in moderation. Framing chocolate as immune support can lead to overconsumption justified by health claims. The quality variation in chocolate is enormous. Many products labeled dark chocolate contain minimal cacao and substantial sugar. Reading labels and choosing products with cacao as the first ingredient and limited added sugars is essential. For people with migraines, chocolate is a known trigger for some individuals. Those with caffeine sensitivity or theobromine sensitivity may experience adverse effects. Overall, dark chocolate in moderation can contribute beneficial flavonoids and antioxidants while providing enjoyment, but it should be the smallest component of an immune-supporting diet, not a primary strategy.